See what the boys did for you, Dad.
Ready? What they did for your father? Are you ready for your father again?
What did you do?
We spray painted your barbecue for you.
Nice. Thank you, guys.
What do you want to see it?
You guys are awesome, man.
The boys did it.
That's cool.
Didn't they do a good job?
You did a great job. Thank you, boys. Thank you.
Check it out.
Cool.
What do you think?
I like it. I like
Really?
it. You guys are amazing.
You really like it?
Yeah.
Be honest,
It's
Dad.
gonna look good in that space over there, huh?
That shit's got to get out of the way.
Here, go check it out. I'll take that for you.
Oh, Dad's such a good sport.
I know. That's what I was telling Steven Jr. right last night. I was like, and he's going to be excited either way, so it's going to be fun. He's going to see that horrible barbecue.
Oh, wow.
Oh, show him the bottom too, guys, for when he cleans it out.
Shut up. Oh, man.
This way.
Just what I was looking at.
Where's Morgan?
That's exactly what it had. Oh, this
But
guy,
it's the
this is
same.
great.
Yeah. It's the same.
Oh, this is cool. This is better than what I was looking at.
Releasing it for 2 months.
Wow.
These are actually pretty nice because you cannot wash them.
This is really neat. This right here.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
You can.
This is good quality right here. Yeah. These are amazing.